you requesting that the father not have any visitation?
As of now, yes, ma'am.
And do you have safety concerns for you and your child?
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
I don't know why it kicked me off, but I had to find the email and sign back in. I apologize.
It's quite all right. Hold on one second. I got to get my pen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We're hearing we're back on the record in cause number DF 2504933, Esquivel and Jones. Miss Jones, can you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear
Sorry. Yes, ma'am.
or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, Miss Etufu, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state's approaching on a suit affecting the parent-child relationship. The state would like the court to take judicial notice that even though Mr. Esquivel is not present in court today, he was served on July 2nd, 2025.
And when was it filed with the court?
He was served on the record. Both parties appeared before this court on Zoom.
Then so noted.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a default judgment. I will take testimony from the mother as to the agreement.
Okay.
Ms. Jones, can you please state your full name?
Frances Melissa Jones, Jones.
Can you state the name and age of the child at this matter?
Mackenzie Alessandra Esquivel, she's 6.
And when you had Mackenzie, did Mr. Esquivel sign an acknowledgement of paternity stating that he is the father?
Yes, ma'am, he did.
And how is Mackenzie covered for health insurance?
Through the state Medicaid, it helps with her speech therapy that she takes through her school.
Ma'am, has there been acts of family violence between you and Mr. Esquivel in the last 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
And was there previously a protective order out of Dallas County?
Yes, ma'am.
Against
Emergency protective order of June of 2024 when Mario put a gun to my head and discharged it in the air.
Okay. I'm sorry, ma'am. Is that matter currently pending in Dallas County?
It is a pending charge. His bond orders are not to contact me.
Okay. And the current charge is aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. And due to that, in addition to the protective order, are you requesting a non-disclosure of your address?
Yes, ma'am. I do request that, please.
Are you also requesting a non-disclosure of your phone number?
Yes, ma'am, please.
And that is also the terms of his current bond as well, correct?
That is correct.
Okay. Are you asking to be named the sole managing conservator for your child?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Are you also requesting that you be the primary person to designate the child's residence?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Do you have any plans to leave the Dallas and surrounding counties?
No, ma'am. I purchased my forever home to raise my daughter here.
So are you in agreement to have a geographic restriction to Dallas and the contiguous counties?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's talk about possession and access. Are you requesting that the father not have any visitation?
As of now, yes, ma'am.
And do you have safety concerns for you and your child?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And this is based out of both this incident that you described with the gun and prior incidences?
Yes, ma'am, that is true.
Okay. Do you know if the father has any other minor children?
Not that I know of, no, ma'am.
Mr. Esquivel has his own business called Esquivel Landscaping. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, that is correct.
Okay. Using a gross income of $10,000, the state's asking for child support to be set at $1,391 a month beginning October 1st, 2025. Are you in agreement to that?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
And the state's also asking for cash medical in the amount of $300 to repay the government medical plan. Are you in agreement to that?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
You're requesting retroactive child support, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's from the periods of January 2023
Yes, ma'am.
through July 2nd.
Yes, ma'am. That's correct.
Okay. Now, let's return to the landscaping business that Mr. Esquivel owns. Because he's self-employed, there is no reported income from his employer. So can you explain to me how you know that he makes $10,000 a month?
We were together since 2017. He was the sole supporter of us. I didn't do much for the business. I was a stay-at-home mom, but he provided everything. We would document for tax purposes how much was made per day, and it's over 10,000 every month. It's over 10,000. It's landscaping, it's the trees, it removal, you name it, storm help, anything like that.
Okay, so the income is from your own personal knowledge.
Yes, ma'am, that is true.
Okay. For the periods of time you're requesting child support arrears, which is January 2023 through July 2nd, 2025, the state's calculating that amount at $51,124.12. During that period, did Mr. Esquivel give you any financial help for those 2
Miss
years?
Etifu, tell me how you got 12 cents. Give me what you based it on the 1391 a month, and how many months you did. Tell me that.
Just a moment, Your Honor. $33 months, Your Honor.
That gives you $45,903.
Can you repeat that amount, Your Honor?
$45,903.
Okay, Your Honor, may I amend for the amount given by the court?
Yes.
Ms. Jones, would you be in agreement for a child support arrears judgment of $45,903?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And would you be in agreement for a repayment of $300 a month to repay that amount beginning on October 1st, 2025?
Yes, ma'am.
Court costs are as billed to the non-custodial parent, Mr. Esquivel. Are you in agreement to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I pass the witness, Your Honor.
Then I will grant the default judgment, order that mom be sole managing conservator. But I'm not gonna order the geo restriction due to the family violence and the temporary restraining order. Ma'am, I know you say you don't plan on moving, but
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not gonna restrict you to living in Dallas County, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Order visitation visitation as mutually agreed. Ma'am, that means if you don't agree, he doesn't have any visitation. But if somewhere down the line you think he has gotten better and you want him to have a relationship with your daughter, after all of this is over, the two of you can agree on how he's going to see her. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Order government health insurance. Order cash medical support of $300 per month. Order child support of $1,391 per month. Order a retroactive child support judgment against Mr. Esquivel in favor of the Attorney General of Texas in the amount of $45,903. Order that judgment paid at $300 per month. Order court costs as billed. All start dates will be October 1st, 2025, and the non-disclosure is granted. Is there anything else, Ms. Etifu?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No, I thank you very much. I truly appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you for appearing here today, and you're free to go.
Thank you.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
You may. Thank you, Ms. Etifu.